So the next thing, I didn't set bigger financial targets. So I was set using the same financial targets I had before the market crashed. And I just went back to that rather than realize, dude, if you're doing here and then the market goes down, you need to set your next target up here, right? Because that's the next game. So you've already won that game. Why play the second game to just get back to zero, which is what people tend to do. Get back to zero and then they're okay, not realizing that the new zero is actually 10. So, and the next thing, I should have never sold anything that I had. I should have refinanced it, and I should have been raising money, more money the whole time. The whole time I should have been focused on raising money and not selling. So if you have something, don't sell it. Go raise money, or if you have money, go invest that money. Because investing money in a deal with somebody else is you getting into a deal. You are an owner, right? It's if you invested $100,000 or $200,000 in a deal that we're working on, you are part owner in that deal. You can go and be like, yeah, I have a deal. Like I'm invested in a 100 unit or a 200 unit deal or a 40 unit deal or a 50 unit deal, whatever. Like you're still invested. So play that game of being involved. All right. And then last but not least, I didn't help more people achieve their goals during the time that I was also on the path to achieve mine. I didn't collaborate with more people, which is what I'm looking to change now. So in a market correction, as a market crashes, or a market correction is happening in your business or in your real estate investing, you want to take a look at the mistakes that I've made or people like me have made or people ahead of me. Like my mentor is Grant Cardone. I listen to them, I watch them, I do everything that they say to do as a team. Ryan, Andres, Jared, all those guys. So I'm learning from people more successful than me, and then I go to my world, and then I do what I'm supposed to be doing, and then I try to help more people. So there's a giant connection piece there. But I said that to say you learn from other people's mistakes. I'm learning from their mistakes so I can avoid them. And then I look at my own, I'm like, yeah, I made that mistake too. And then I collaborate with you guys to say, hey, these are the mistakes I'm avoiding now. This is what I learned from my past. These are the mistakes I've avoided I went through in my past. Now I'm sharing it with you guys so you can avoid it, especially if you guys are following me. So I wanted to share that. I thought that this would be a good thing to kind of talk with you guys about today. I hope this helps you. And, pay attention to the market, but don't pay attention so much. You want to create your own economy. If I can help you do that, go to bell-capital.com. If you want to invest with us, you need to be accredited. You need to have a great attitude. You need to love real estate, the idea of cash flow, future appreciation, as well as the tax benefits. If you want me to help you get into your own deals, you can go to bell-capital.com/interactive. That's our interactive deal room for investors where we go over raising money, underwriting multifamily deals, creative financing for single family houses, which is what I've done. And I want to help you do that. If you want a fast track, we have a fast track coaching program. It's 30 days. It is like drinking out of a fire hose, but we're going to go over raising capital, finding motivated sellers, and creative financing for single family houses, subject twos, as well as multifamily deals, small multifamily deals, anywhere from 10 to 20 unit deals. Because on those deals, you'll make anywhere from $500 to $1 million on a deal. And you can do that within probably about 3 to 5 years, which is what we did. All right. So, that's not Bell Capital. That's nothing, but that's, like I said, trying to make sure to not repeat any past mistakes during this market correction by saying, hey, let's go get big deals together. If you want to invest, let's go do some small deals together, right? The mid-size apartment buildings, single family houses, creative financing, things like that. And then if you just want to invest, I have that too, but let's work on those and let me help you raise money from your network so that way you can get into deals. Whether you do this with me or you do it on your own, I'm here for you. All right. So like this video, share the video, comment on the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down. If you hate it, don't be a hater and a hider at the same time, or subscribe to the channel. I do this for you. I try to drop a video or a couple of videos every day, at least in shorts. And every week I try to do something like this and I go over my mistakes, what to do, what not to do. I try to do any trainings for you guys on real estate, investing, money, success, wealth, all of it, but I am here. All right, so you guys have a great day today. Let's get after it. Are you an accredited investor with $300,000 or more liquid in the bank? I want you to come and partner with me. Look, if you love real estate, passive income, and positive cash flow, appreciation over long periods of time, and you're willing to be patient, come invest with me. Go to bell-capital.com. This is for accredited investors with $300,000 or more in the bank, ready to go. Come invest with me. Go to bell-capital.com.